What's up guys, AK with you. Today we continue basic, mostly for beginners, how to hook up your brand new digital system you found it under Christmas tree maybe. Anyway, so that's my Patreon page if you want to support my YouTube channel. I will put more tiers later. I'm not sure which way I'm going, but yes, you will see maybe like personal contacting me and all that stuff, like custom layout or whatever. We'll see. Now, in my previous Digitracks, today is we looking at how to hook up easily NCE, and I mean really easy, because NCE has only one output. We'll do it right here. Change that color. This is only one output, so it's internally switching to programming track or main track. And if you on programming track and you have like few different locomotives, they will be reprogrammed to the same address. So on Digitrack's video also I mentioned how I'm doing my programming track, making, if you pay attention to the switch, I just cut here, and that's my programming track. Because if I have Challenger or Big Boy or bigger steam locomotives, I can just slide them here, you know, and keep operating rather than take them out and putting back on the track if you don't like something and you want to reprogram again. But again, because it's just me, it's not big deal, guys, whatever you prefer. We'll talk about later about making cuts here, all right, and making programming track on your main, sort of, kind of, I want to say main, but on the other siding or something, but that's for another video. All right, let's put it back. All right, so we're still on main here. We keep the colors, main and programming. So I'm taking, you can put insulated joiner, that's not a problem. Yeah, if you have correct for the specific track. This is Rocco. I'm very familiar with any rail, which I'm using right now to make that diagram. All right, so to make it very simple, you probably start laughing like, hey, crazy Russian again. Messing with us. No, that's really simple. You need a soldering gun, 3 different colors of wires, and that double pole double throw switch. If you can put it on a small display, which I show you soon in a different video, and that's how it's working. So there you guys connecting. All right. Somebody mentioned on the Facebook, and if you would like to make a comment, if you please make a comment here on, because I'm publishing everything on Facebook, make a comment on YouTube under that video. So it's a very, very sensitive, very cool tool. I like it a lot. Now, mentioning I was wrong about Digitrack output plug. No, I was absolutely correct. If you're looking on the Digitrack unit Zephyr from the top, the output from the right, and that's exactly on my diagram. So NCE here will connect our NCE Power Cab. That's how it's working. That's exactly in the manual. This is power supply here, including panel and power supply unit, and this is our output on this side, right? So we again keeping our colors the same, all right, and we're making output from the system like that. Use red, keeping our colors like that. Okay, we're almost done. So now black wire is outside, and we keep that arrangement. So we're taking, oops, that's my red. Okay, we're on red, that's fine. Red is inside, and we deal like that. All right. Same thing with the black. Pardon me. We'll run choo-choo in a couple of seconds. Changed, and black here and here. All right, and if we flip the switch this way, it will be our main, and we flip this way, it will be our prog, and we'll make our programming track very quick. So changing color to green. You can use different. I'm using gray for feedback. Of course, that we'll cover in different videos a lot. So we just go straight from here to here, and from here to the top rail. That's it. Right now we can put choo-choo small switcher and program it. Or if you slide big engine like steam engine, you just slide. That's the reason I'm using this, and I think it's just easy to understand. You can separate that track, that piece of track, just have it separate sitting on the side. That's fine, but for the big engines it's just easy to slide them, and that's it. So totally insulated area, optically insulated, and that's how we're doing. When the engine here on the main track, the other engine, unless you're on the programming on main, it means it's possible, but you need to be on the program. You just need to watch which mode you're using on the command station, and that's it. One more time, if you're watching on the Facebook, please come back to YouTube and leave a comment under YouTube comments. All right, thanks for watching, supporting business. I really appreciate it. Supporting YouTube channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.